So guys, I have the new barrel lock now. So I went to Screwfix to buy this. So make sure that they are of the same size, which I think it is, and it is the 6-pin Euro profile double cylinder. Yeah, that's the one that I got from the shop. So we're going to put this in the UPVC door, and also I took out the handle, the old handles. These are the old handles because they're mucky now, so I have to replace them with the new one. Yeah, these are the new handle for our UPVC door. Okay, see you in a bit. So guys, these are the parts that we bought. These are the handles and few screws, and this is the new barrel lock for the UPVC door. Alright, so we are going to wipe the area as well so it's clean before putting all the parts, the handles and the door lock barrel. Okay, so we're going to insert the barrel now, barrel lock. Let's just make sure that it's like that. Okay, okay, take out the key. Yep. So we're going to put back the screw. Okay, so it's sturdy. Yep. So we're going to put the handle. The new handle here. Alright, we've got the screws. So let's test it, guys. Locked. That's it. It's working. You can take out the key. You've got a new one. That's very good. Let's try it. Let's lock the door. There you are. Sorted. Barrel change, handle change. That's cool. There you are. Alright guys, thank you. See you in my next video.